The widow of a murdered American Airlines executive made her first appearance in federal court this morning. We're learning more about Jennifer Faith's communication with the murder suspect, Darren Lopez, after her husband was killed. Fox 4's Alex Boyer talked with Faith's defense attorney. Alex.
That entire court appearance lasted just 5 minutes. Jennifer Faith walked in wearing her glasses, a blue blouse, as well as black leggings. Her hands were cuffed in front of her. She decided to waive her right to a preliminary as well as detention hearing. We spoke to her attorney afterwards, asking why. As is customary, TV cameras were not allowed inside the federal courthouse in Dallas Friday for Jennifer Faith's initial appearance. Faith appeared the same way she did Wednesday when she was booked into the Dallas County Jail.
They have to go and get an indictment, obviously, and then things will move from there.
Toby Shook is Faith's criminal defense attorney. Shook says the 48-year-old suspect does not deny having an emotional affair with her late husband's accused killer, Darren Lopez. Shook said James Faith knew the two had been in recent communication.
He knew about them, and then in August she had told Mr. Lopez that she was not going to leave her husband, and that was her mindset then.
On October 9th, 2020, James Faith was shot to death in front of his wife while walking in their Oak Cliff neighborhood. Jennifer Faith made a plea to the public for answers.
If you know what happened, I need that for closure. I need to make some sense out of this.
Investigators say it was all a ploy. She's charged with 1 count of destruction of an object with the intent to obstruct a federal investigation. According to an arrest affidavit, Faith and Lopez exchanged some 14,000 text messages and calls over a 1-month period. Investigators say Faith tried to erase those messages by doing a factory reset on her cell phone the day before meeting with detectives back in January.
Obviously, we'll be getting that hopefully soon so we can review all that, but in no way was she planning the murder of her husband.
And her attorney, Toby Shook, tells me that another court date has not yet been set in this case. He says he needs additional time to talk to his client. Reporting in Dallas, Alex Boyer, Fox 4 News.